Good morning, gang. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What you got, man?
My balloon is his birthday.
You woke me up this morning with a balloon. And what else? A birthday cake?
Yeah, it's some birthday cake downstairs.
And some cards.
All season.
Nia and I brush her teeth. I can't show her right now. She ain't fully dressed. But it was amazing. It was great. Ain't that right, Mama? The cake was good?
Yes.
She ate the cake.
It's got the candles on it.
Get your hands on it. You said what?
It's got the candles.
You got candles?
And the red.
Yeah, I had 31 candles. Nene almost burnt the house down. 31 candles on the cake. She could have just got a 3 and a 1.
The girls at school.
Made me feel real old.
The girls at school.
Girls at school? What we finna do?
We're gonna go get some breakfast.
Go get some breakfast? What you want for breakfast?
Once. I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna eat.
So yeah, that's what's going on.
That's what you're gonna
Finna get ready to
Mama.
go get something to eat.
No.
And then see what the rest of the day got going on. See what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, man. This all she be watching, y'all. My daughter. That's all she watch. But yeah, so that's that, man. We'll check back with y'all in a second. I gotta get dressed, put some clothes on and all that. So y'all, we done made it to the destination. It's called, I don't know the name of it. I'll show y'all in a minute. Say what's up to the vlog, man. Excuse me. God. So y'all, we finna go ahead and see what they got. As y'all can see, it's raining today. But that ain't gonna stop that. That ain't gonna stop that, y'all. Whew. So we are here. I'm about to show y'all the name of the place. Hey, how y'all doing?
Hello. Good, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Good. Boy, I thought you was taking a picture of me. I said,
Oh no, ma'am, I'm vlogging. I do YouTube. This is the name of it right here. It's located in Dallas, right off of I want to say that is the highway. That's the Hiram Dallas Highway, y'all. The Silver Coming Trail. You know what I'm talking about? The Silver Coming Trail bridge right there. And that's right over in that parking lot right here, y'all. So yeah, it's fine. I mean, well, I don't know if it's fine, but the food look good. So we about to see what's up. Waiting on Miss Slowpoke and Miss Slowest. They gonna come through, and I'm gonna let y'all see what the food when we get it. So, gang, this is give y'all the tutorial of the menu. That's the address, y'all, right here, and this is the number. They do delivery if y'all staying in Dallas. They do catering, as y'all can see. Let me show y'all just to get y'all a glimpse of the menu. Okay, what we got over here? Y'all know they good. They say breakfast sandwiches, not sandwiches, sandwiches. They good. This food good, y'all. How people word things says a lot about the taste of the food. And the fact that they put sandwiches, let me know. It's finna take me back to the hill. And they got a lot of different options as well. And then as y'all can see, this is just not a breakfast spot. It is they have lunch as well too. So they got lunch, beverages. And then this the beverages I got because we wanted the orange and the apple juice. That's what we got. So I'm gonna let y'all see So y'all, this is the food. I got the gravy, the biscuits, sausage, eggs. She got the country fried steak with a pancake, and I got this. I'm about to see what it's like. She said she want to fill in the sausage or butter. And those are their house fries with bell peppers and onions and mushrooms and all types of stuff.
Plastic? Yeah. Girl, do you want the pancake or no?
She wanted blueberries on her pancakes. So we are heading out. Come on, man. Oh, here we go. We're heading out. And I must say, I would give this place a 8. I used to an 8 out of 10. I give this a 8. Would you say you give it a 7? Me say she gives it a 7 because the service was great, but the potatoes was a little light skinned. It was, I ain't even gonna say a little. They was mixed. They were mixed babies. They was not they didn't put the syrup on the potatoes. The sausage was light skinned. Oh. The sausage was light skinned too, y'all. So, but the gravy that they had on the I did. They make sure nobody else was there. I'm just trying to open that door. Yeah, so the gravy was good, but the meat and stuff was a little light. But it was done. It just didn't have that burnt syrup on it. Like, you know how you like it, but like I said, man, it needed. So between the both of us, it'd be about like a 7.5 out of 10. Cause I give it an 8. She gave it a 7. Mimi gave it a. Mimi, what you give it? That's all you like was the pancakes. What up, gang? What it do? 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 So after we ate that breakfast, man, we knocked out. We just sleep till I waking up. It's like 2 o'clock now. Yeah. And y'all can, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's raining like a rain. It's raining, man. It's raining right here. Had to shoot to the city right quick, pick something up. But I think later, I know he asked me if I what I wanted to eat later. I think I want some oysters first. So might be going to eat wild crab or juicy crab later on to get it. That's what I want. But yeah, man, like I said, the girls, they at school. They finna get out of school in like 30 minutes. Try to make it back so I can go scoop them up. And then he and Camille are at the house. They was still asleep when I left. Yeah. Cake, I got me some more of that cake that the Nia got me. I'm gonna buy red velvet. Bye. Yeah, man, that's what's that, man. I ain't got too much going. Like I said, it's raining. You know what I'm saying? I really didn't have too much night planned today anyway because it's Monday. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't have too much planned for today anyway. Like I said, my plans was last weekend, and then this weekend. So those were my plans. So I really wasn't tripping about doing that today. But you know, we'll get something to eat, and I'm cool with that. So that's what's going on. Y'all, this rain is so hard, bro. Like it don't make no sense. Like, for real. So, he's here. That's what's going on, man. I'm gonna check back in with y'all a little bit later when I pick the girls up, or when the girls make it back to school. Then when I check back in with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see what we got going on. We did finish that criminal tree last night, but me was like, she gonna redo it. Cause it look like we just threw it all on them, but I mean, I thought that was just supposed to just throw it all on them. You know what I'm saying? So I know what we did, but I'll show y'all our finished product later. That she wanted to do it, so that's what she wanted to do. But yeah, man, I hope y'all are having a blessed day, bro. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all share, and comment. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy turning 31 today, y'all. 31 years old today. It's getting old. So that's that, man. Like I said, bro, I hope y'all having a blessed day despite the weather. My day is going really good. I hope y'all have a great week. You know what I'm saying? Get a good start off to this week. I know I am, because I'm the whole week, bro. I'm looking forward to Friday, bro. Man, you know, y'all listen. Last weekend was everything to me. You feel me? Like, we went out to eat Copeland's. After that, before we even went to Copeland's, you know what I'm saying? We was pre-gaming in the room. You feel what I'm saying? Watching the Georgia game, and then we went out to eat to Copeland's. That was funny. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I ain't never been there, and the food was amazing. Then after that, we went to the club, bro. And like, the club, I think it was called the Sidebar, bro, in Atlanta. Y'all listen, bro. The club had like 2 different floors. Like it was a 2-story floor. It was a 2-story club. And upstairs they had you know what I'm saying? In my opinion, this is my opinion on the music wise. But upstairs it was more so 90s, that 90s. I don't want to say R&B because they were dropping that 90s hip hop too. But then you go downstairs and it was like more so your modern day, newer rappers. You feel me? So that's how that was. But like I said, at first downstairs we spent most of the time downstairs, not because of the music, but because that's where they was allowing us to smoke. And then I mean they was playing that 90s R&B downstairs too, but it was like upstairs it was just different vibes. But yeah, we spent half of the time downstairs, and then right before, like an hour and a half before we left, we migrated upstairs and vibed upstairs, man. I had an amazing time. Y'all can see, y'all check that video out, bro. Y'all seen, like, it was lit, bro. I'm very, very thankful for that. You know what I'm saying? But this weekend, y'all, Friday, man, I know it's gonna go up another notch. We're gonna go up another notch this weekend, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. For sure. I'ma holler at y'all, man. I gotta pay attention to the road. So I'm gonna get back with y'all.
Hey, Dad. Today is Sunday. Where today is Sunday. On Sunday, PJ. Where is Sunday?
What's up, y'all? We out here in these streets in the rain. Had to come get something to eat, y'all. This where we at. Can y'all see it? Ooh, I just stepped in the water. But we at the Jamaican spot. Let's see, can we get a table? This here?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Can we get a table? See how long the wait is. The rain that started coming down a whole lot harder, y'all. But it look like we're gonna be able to get a table. And it don't look like too packed up here. Hey, 2 adults and 3 kids.
For Hibachi or diner?
Oh, about
So it's probably about 20-25 minutes.
about 20-25 minutes. All right, that's cool.
Let me get your information down then.
Huh?
Let me get your information down then.
All right.
You said 2 adults, 3 kids? Can I get a name?
Billy.
What was that?
Billy, Billy.
Can I get a phone number? 6618. All right.
Yeah.
It's actually on your tables right now.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Yep.
I had to stop the recording like that, y'all, because I had to get a man my number. I don't need y'all folk to have my phone on, so I had to stop it. But they said it's going to be about 20 minutes, so I'm going to see what the folks want to do, what they want to do, and I'll get back to y'all in a second. Where we at, y'all? Where we at?
We're at the fireplace.
Where we at?
The fireplace. Fireplace.
We at the Japanese spot. Right now. When they get seated. We could have been there sitting down already, but we want to do the Hibachi experience, so we gotta wait for a spot to open up. But we're here, man, and once we sit down and all that, I'll get back with y'all. Got that calamari first come out. Got to know it.
Good morning. It's just the 2 steak dinners, right? How do y'all want the steak cooked?
Oh,
Well done.
don't get that close.
Oh yeah, more fire! Hold on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Billy.